In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your YouTube channel ID on mobile. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So we will use our web browser to do this. Open your web browser and then just open the page called YouTube. So just input it in a search bar, it doesn't matter. So after that, just open m.youtube.com. And here all we need is just to go to desktop version, so click on AA in the search and then just click on request desktop website right up here. Now all we need is just to resize our desktop version to find our image icon, channel icon in the right top corner, so click on it and then here choose settings to open our settings. After that, in the left side menu, just click on Advanced Settings right up here. And then here we have our channel ID, so we can just click on copy and it will be successfully copied to our clipboard. So guys, this is a way how we can find our YouTube channel ID on mobile. I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and watch my other tutorials. Goodbye!